In this video I will be pitching to you why the 3D printer might be the filmmaker's best friend. So let's talk about it. So have you been on set and rigging your camera or your other equipment and caught yourself thinking, what if I had a little construction that could connect this piece of equipment to this one to make my workday a lot easier? Or maybe like in my example last week when I started thinking about my selfie stick, which is made for the DJI Action 4. So in my mind I started thinking about, what if I made some kind of a custom mount to this selfie stick so that I can rig my iPhone and also my ZVE1 Sony camera on this selfie stick. So I, in a way, can get a lot more use out of this stick. I did a quick jump into Fusion 360. It's this 3D engineering application where you can make your own designs and then export these designs as STL files, which you later then can load into your 3D printer and then print out your design that you created. So I took a couple of measurements from this fork-like construction on the selfie stick and then added just a basic plate so that I can, on top of this plate, mount different kind of mounting attachments. So for example, in this iPhone mount, I just attached my MagSafe connector and then I can mount it on this selfie stick. Then I printed one or more of these plates and attached a Arca Swiss base plate, which enables me to mount my Sony ZVE1 onto this plate. And then this whole contraption goes onto the selfie stick. So when I mounted my ZVE1 on this selfie stick, I realized that it's not able to fully support the camera when it's extended. It will collapse down again, but if I'm only doing something like this, if I want to film myself, or for example, if I want to make some kind of a tabletop setup going, something like that, let's put it here. It works perfectly fine. And of course you can tilt it to frame your shot. So now I can bring only my selfie stick with these custom attachments and know that I can use it to whatever camera I want to be using. There's so much more you can do with the 3D printers, and I will show you a couple of shots here of my previous creation with this 3D printer. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that you're printing plastic, and plastic is not that durable and it won't hold as much weight as, for example, metal or aluminium, of course. So you just need to make sure that you know what you're doing and not putting too much stress on the design that you're printing. But for these smaller things and delicate things and things that you need a lot of precision for, a 3D printer is great. And I would recommend you to learn Fusion 360 from Autodesk because I think it's very comprehensive and you can do quite a lot. You can do threads on your material, you can do joints, you can check for flaws in your design. It's just made for engineering purposes. If you are a filmmaker out there and you also have a 3D printer, let me know in the comment section what you are using your 3D printer for. I love to connect and share the knowledge. That's all I have for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!